For this fieldwork activity, I plan on observing and assessing a fourth grade male African American student. He is a twin, but his sister is in fifth grade. He was actually held back a year. This student has been observed eloping from class and showing avoidant behaviors towards any task that is perceived to be difficult. He has been seen hiding under desks. He will walk around the classroom screaming and making loud noises. And his behaviors at his previous school had prompted the previous IEP team to put in 1,980 minutes of behavioral intervention supports weekly. So he has a one-to-one who is ABA trained through a non-public agency to provide behavior intervention supports. The plan is that they are going to eventually be feeding out those supports and training one of our staff members to implement the same procedures with him. Some of the target behaviors that I am looking at is self-advocacy. I have noticed that this student will avoid tasks if he doesn't know how to do them, and through maximum prompting plus, I have been able to guide him to being able to say that something is too hard, and then I'll ask what parts are too hard, and that usually takes another 4 to 5 questions. And eventually he'll arrive to saying that, this math problem is too hard because I don't know how to add 5 plus 5, and I can ask my teacher for help if I need any. So that was something that I had noticed last week that I thought would be a great behavior to target for this observation and for this functional behavioral analysis or assessment. So I will be working on self-advocacy and manding skills with him. So he will be learning more appropriate ways to ask for help rather than walking around the room and screaming or avoiding the task altogether. I plan on working with the speech-language pathologist that is working on campus to assess the student. We will go into the class and take baseline data of what he's doing on within that time period. So since she's on campus, it's really easy to be able to coordinate the observations and the interviews and to talk with her overall. I'm really interested to see if she has the same ideas that I do in how to address the self-advocacy skills to target those skills. She's working on a lot of other skills with him as well, mainly pragmatic skills. His expressive and receptive speech are generally around grade level, age level, I should say, age appropriate. And so setting up the meeting with the speech-language pathologist is just a matter of sending her an email and saying, hey, when do you have some free time? Can we do this together? And she's very flexible and usually very accommodating of people's schedules. So yes, that's it.